Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. Today we'll be going through our June 2019 glove box. I'll be going through all the products pretty quickly because I want to spend a little bit of time talking about this green beauty here. So let's get started. Try to pay attention. I know this McLaren 570S behind me is a little distracting, but let's go through this stuff. First, and per usual, our insert card, a little note from Jason and myself, and on the back, a list of all the items that are in here, a link to the manufacturers itself, and also some of them have discount codes so you can buy the product, large, full size, or other products with a special glove box discount. So first, from Mother's, Waterless Wash and Wax. Really good product. We talked about it in the other video, waterless, rinseless, in the traditional wash bucket with water and soap, 3-bucket method, whatever you choose. This is without the 3-bucket method. This is without 1 bucket. This is the waterless wash and wax, spray on, wipe on properly. Next, from Nanotech Surface Solutions Rain Shield. This is a coating for your glass. This is a 2-ounce bottle, and I just want to let you guys know on the label it says 0.5 ounces. So you get 0.5 ounces in here, which will do all the glass as it did on this 570S. Put that on there, and you won't hear detailers say this too often, but I hope you get caught in some rain after you put this on so you can see how awesome it is. Bam. Then I'm giving you the glass coating. Of course, I'm going to give you the glass towel from our friends over at the Rag Company, the Black Diamond Glass Towel. Amazing. Use it along with your Nanotech Surface Solution Rain Shield. Then from Jax Wax Fabric Guard. This is great on your carpets, your floor mats. You spray it on there. Same kind of concept as like a coating for your paint or glass. It creates a hydrophobic property to protect the material itself. If you have a dog like me, or kids, or drink coffee, or sometimes drive a little too fast and slam on the brakes, guilty, and you spill something, this will help protect those surfaces and keep them cleaner longer, and don't let them stain. It won't let them stain. Bam. And then the one I want to talk about a little bit more is the Autofiber double flip. One, it's awesome because you can do that. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, whoop, caught it. 3, 4, always check your towel, bam. So why I love this towel is, well, one, I gave you the waterless wash and rinse so you can use it with it. But also, what I like about this is, since my hand goes in here, when I'm cleaning door jambs, I'm not busting up my knuckles, right, or my fingertips. You can use it on your engine bay or areas that will scuff up your hands or the wheels. There's other towels for that, but if you do use this towel to do it, make sure that you're not using it on your paint. It also helps with proper rinseless, spray wax, waterless wash and wax techniques, because I'm using this one side and lifting away, and then I can flip, boom, and I'm not refolding the towel every single time. This towel is amazing. Go check it out at our friends at Autofiber. Use the discount code on your insert card. See what else they have. Amazing stuff, not just for towels for your paint, also for your glass, interior, everything you can possibly imagine over there. So, again, our June 2019 glove box. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Oh, shoot, DIY expert. Go to our website, gloveboxdetail.com, to check out all the shirts available there. Sign up for your monthly mystery box, buy past boxes, or if you want to do your own, the BYOB, build your own box. Send us pictures, let us know what you think, why you chose what you chose. Also, if you would like to be featured on one of our monthly YouTube videos unboxing your products and showing how you use them, do that as well. Send that to us. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, gloveboxdetail.com. All right, guys, take care. Happy detailing. Talk to you soon.